quilters, welcome back to our Acorn Makers channel for another instructional video. Once again, I'm Cade.
And I'm Ryan. And in today's video, we're going to be going over how to use the precision piecing system. Hope this helps. Unscrew the end of the Easy Press pen and fill it with Easy Press fabric treatment. After that, screw the lid back on and make sure it is tight. You can set the pen aside for later. Next, uncap the seam-aligned gentle hold fabric glue and dab a pin dot size bead of glue on the inside of fabric piece number 1. Once this is done, place the second piece of fabric on top. Gently tap down with your fingers to make contact with the bottom layer of the fabric.
Using a dry iron on a wool setting, press in an up and down motion to activate the glue. Do not glide your iron along the fabric. Next, sew the two pieces of fabric together. Open the fabric so the right sides are facing up. Press the seam underneath to one side, or open depending on how you press. Gently glide your filled Easy Press pen along the seam, on the side seam allowances pressed to, or in other words, the high side. Wait about 5 to 10 seconds and press one more time until the glue appears dry. Watch as your seams lay perfectly flat, even after handling.
Thanks for watching. If you need any more assistance, please do not hesitate to contact us at acornmakers@bqskproducts.com.
Happy piecing!